Everyone, and yesterday I was get my reading loss because they calling me, and I got it. Okay, I got my reading loss, and I'm so thankful for my penny bank because this kind of a glass is not a cheap glass, and double very nice. I can see far and close and reading, and double vision. It's nice. That's why yesterday I was been in, yes, oh my gosh, guys, I was been in my auntie yesterday. It's like a fiesta. Oh, guys, it is nice to know that some people like very adoring on me, very idolizing me. Oh my God, don't too much because I become a viral and go to the famous. Oh, Ginoo ko. Ayo taon niyo palabi kay na kasi mo adto na ko ani sa GMA og EBC-BIN. You know what? The more you adore in me, the more become a famous. Continue what you do because I'm enjoying my life. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, yeah, guys. So I shared you there. Um, I was Vin. Hi. I was Vin. If you say I'm ugly, well, if you say I'm ugly, well, why are you keeping longing to me? So I was Vin in my reading class. It's adobo. If I go outside, like you if you can see the glass, it look like a sunglass. But this is a double, and also I can see very far and close and reading. Yep. So just EO, and also it's nice, not cheap, very very nice. Take a look at they say that. So very nice. This it's nice. So I'm so thankful for my um I'm so really thankful for my doctor who who set the what you call that the glass. I'm so thankful for this, and very very nice quality, right? That's why I'm really really like really I'm really really having fun to those people, even though I'm not watching the garbage people the way they go live. I'm not watching over it, but some of the people that thank you so much to those people who keeping what you call that keeping telling on me, keeping sending those report with it. By the way, guys, yesterday some people report in me that Switchgate, somebody recording you while you go live. Yeah, I already know that. Let them be. Let them be. Let's see to the people what they let's see to the people how they can say so that who is the one totally crazy and mentally, right? Keeping longing to me, keeping adoring in me. Wow. You totally adore you totally like I'm your idol. Oh my god. You become crazy for me? Oh, who am I? The very important. Who am I? I'm if you said that I'm ugly, so if you say that I'm ugly, then why you keeping wasting your time to me? Very stupid. Such a fool. So let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Let your mental quality, let it be. Yesterday is nothing gonna mad because you are not a Filipino. That's why you cannot understand what is happened yesterday. Yesterday in the fiesta of the daughter of the sister of my mom, we're having fun, talking each other. No getting mad. No, just having fun. I will enjoyment. And then when I done there, I was the optical is calling in me to pick up the the reading glass. That's why I got my reading glass. I'm so really thankful the EO Optical in Butuan City in the SM Mall. Thank you so much for being really nice, and the doctor also there. Very thank you. Have guys the premiere of my Honey Bunny. Meet the premiere guys. Premiere on my honey. Premiere to now. Premiere. Meet on it and join there. I try to put the link. It's not all the time. Oh, premiere. Premiere guys, premiere. So premiere on it. Premiere I that premiere on him. Premiere, and the owner of that is the other. Premiere. So premiere. Wait, I put the linking on it to the people, and to link that to all people there. I put the link that to my live stream. I wish I can do that. I wish. Where is my live stream? Here. Premiere guys, I'm trying. Premiere. Adto ko sa premiere guys. Thank you for the premiere guys, premiere. I was comment in there premiere there. So get all guys premiere on my honey okay, welcome back premiere guys, premiere oh there are premiere oh because someone said that that is that is the channel on my boyfriend, not mine, not okay. I'm comment on there. Oh, I'm comment there. And then the owner is there, not me. Okay, I'm live now. And then how can you get like that? So guys, there support my fiance channel of it because it's had a new video that already done the premiere. Support each other there because somebody thinking that that account is no, that is not mine. That is my fiance Jan channel. So it's already done the premiere. That I did not know that it done the premiere. So I'm busy on my channel also live here. So thank you for everybody who support with it. Thank you so much. Okay? Wait a minute guys, kay mag ano sa ko mag maghamisan sa ko. Diha ra mo ka nagkuan pa ko naghamisal. Hamisan. Ay asa ka nag-ilit baby cream ko. Charot. Nag-cream ko.
Ombudsman.
Oh, di whistle na.
Good news ba tao? Good news.
Easy
Update ni
to
sa West
blend.
Philippine Sea.
Isip to ba? O di.
Ang European nga jet fighter interesado sa Pilipinas nga mo appeal pud sila. Isa po daw sila gusto nga mapilian sa EFP modernization multi-role fighter. Grabe ang Taiwan.
Breaking news mga
Na.
kabayan, isa na namang illegal Chinese fishing vessel ang hinuli at dinitay ng Taiwan authorities.
Dapat daw nga na Pilipinas daw. Kaya di mo na mabuhat sa Pilipinas na yan.
Waters na nasasakupan ng Taiwan. Sino mo pa man tumakas ng mga Chinese pero nahuli pa rin sila. Biapidyago sila. Nakataong nasa Navy Naval Base sa Big Bay. Sa Zambales. Malikayong pagdating, Barkong Republika ng Pilipinas, Diego Silao, FFG 07.
Niabot na, idunggo na.
Tumpad ng Leonardo, handang magbenta ng 32 mga Eurofighter
And also,
1,000 Typhoon sa Pilipinas.
this.
Kapag ito ang napiling multi-role fighter,
Serious?
sa unang bahagi ng taong 2028, maipideliver na ang
Oh, grabe Leonardo, 32 ka Eurofighter daw, Typhoon sa Pilipinas. I-deliver nila kung sila ang mapili.
AS Rock, Short Range Air-to-Air Missile, Brimstone Air-to-Ground Missiles, at Storm Shadow Airlines Missile. Philippine Navy kinumpirma na hindi Pilipinas ang siyang nagpapagulo sa West Philippine Sea. Ginagampanan ng bansa ang kanilang tungkulin para maprotektahan kung ano ang para sa ating Pilipino.
Musta nang baho, humot lagi na.
Kami.
Ba.
May kumikaanin ng Santiago
No.
Blueberry.
Administration ng Taiwan ang isang
Gigukod sa Taiwan, no? Iaway mo, ni Sudbo sa mga teritoryo, namuha mong isda,
Waters ng Penghu County,
na,
tumanggi
sakay
ang
nila.
ng Chinese vessel na inspeksyonin ang kanilang barko at sinubukan pa itong tumakas, sinabi ng presensya ng Taiwan noong Sabado. Na-detect nitong Biyernes, mga trans-local vessel lagang kanunga ng Xiaomen sa loob ng restricted zone ng Taiwan ang isang hindi nagkikilalang barko ng China. Sinabi ng Coast Guard Administration ng Taiwan sa isang press release. Agad na nag-report ng isang patrol boat
So,
ng Taiwan.
I'm already done na pa-beauty. Spraying my mouth. Wow. Blueberry. You know what this is? Yeah, every time I not stay away with this because this is this is my bag. Perfume. Alcohol, rubbing, alcohol. Perfume. And then this one, blueberry. You know the blueberry? Like a horse spraying mouth. I can kiss you. This, and you can taste the blueberry. And then I put the cream something.
Karga man ko.
Oh, no spotting. No spotting. If you said no spotting. Oh, did you see that one?
Ambot, nabura kayo. Unsa man,
Did you
ang
see that
kanang ulo?
one? No more black. Ambot sa.
Lakay
No
ka
more
ng
black
ulo-ulo.
na.
Yatag.
Because I have cream with Hamison.
Charger do nga kanang yan, iba.
Yeah.
Gamit
Two
ang
cream.
ginawa ko.
I have a cream of Hamison. Day cream. Day cream and this one thing.
Pahiram yan eh.
And even though I'm what you call that
Twin engine. ra ba na?
I'm what you call that sweaty, it's not nothing, it's very dry, very dry. This one only for protect the sun, but you can see this, no more black. No more black na. Yeah, I will swipe that one. Oh, no more black. You see that one? Before I have a black in here, black here, and my eyes also. My eyes.
Uy, bakante.
No more going down the red one because of this. Later.
Yan eh.
Yeah.
Wait, charge be. Pangitag kon.
What the heck?
Pag mag-ulo ba, masabot yung parimay yung ulo.
Huh? Ulo? Wait.
Ano ba, kana ba? Na, saksak man ako ni. Hamang ulo.
Wait a minute.
Ulo. Huwag mag-ulo. Ipakargahan.
I have that one. Oh, that is for you. Imo ni. Nagihuman ni Jordy.
Karga gani siya yung i-check.
Umot na.
Pakarga sa pakarga.
on our mission. When it comes to the bilateral consultative meeting, that is under the Department of Foreign Affairs. And we
Do
refer
you
to them
wonder?
kung ano mga details na. Sa side naman natin,
I got a hamisan. Hamisan, guys. Yeah. Easy to blend. Easy to take that. My face on it. Yeah.
Merely to secure and to protect what is
So, ano
ours.
yan?
I can have
Walang
that.
inaangkin na hindi sa atin.
Chup!
We're only protecting what is ours. On the other hand,
Okay.
yung sa atin ay pilit
Easy
na
to
agawin
blend.
sa atin. So yun ang portion nun. Non-aggressive
You can see that one.
within the bounds of international and domestic law.
Won't that be against all odds? Wait. I changed it. Oh, against all odds. My golly, my wow. There's this, when the sun does shine and the time. Whoop, whoop. That's the shoes of my brother.
Na tumataas
So,
ang level
here,
ng mga corals, crash corals sa mga shallow areas natin doon.
I don't know what's going on in here.
Any
I cannot
ship
see.
from whatever country in the vicinity
Because,
of Manila and the other shallow areas.
If you said that I'm ugly, well, why are you spending
Which
on
will
me?
indicate
Spending the
activities
time
to trap crash corals.
watching. If you're very funny,
by natural
there's a light
tidal action,
came along.
nagbabago ang height ng mga
Yeah.
ng mga corals doon.
And
Except for
oh,
Shear, yung nilabas ng Philippine Coast Guard.
and I have also I have already my
So we could safely
this
say yung change in elevation
My
of
this,
the
my
shallow
this.
areas is
and
because of tidal action. It's irrational
yeah.
corals.
Pero yung sinasabi niyo nagdadump ng corals mo.
O, diba?
Tsaka paano natin na-monitor? Meron po ba tayong regular divers na nag-check po rin sa area?
Yes, in fact, yung NSC and the Philippine Coast
So I
Guard,
think we go
they
to
have
outside
been
maybe
to check yung sa Sandy Cay.
because you can taste that to transfer into a different color. Let's challenge me. Wait. I